Hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact reading from today till the end of this month, August 2025. Roles can be reversed, also action can be from your side, also not resonating, not your story at all. Don't try to fit yourself forcible into the reading, okay? If sorry, it's not resonating, it's not yours at all. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my course. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Sagis, right now, the overall energy for the connection, the mutual energy, you can say. Right now, at this present moment, what's going on? सर्वांगी सुंदर छोटी चंद्राची. We have the devil, the star, the queen of swords. See, there is unhealthy kind of attachment in the situation. Both of you are trying to maybe heal the situation on an individual level, but both of you are not able to let it go properly, even if you guys are trying to let it go. And both of you are trying to be very practical here, very logical here. Okay, so what is happening here? Both of you think that everything is crystal clear between you guys. There's nothing that's hidden. There's nothing that you guys should talk about. See, I'm having side effects of the injections. Yeah. Anyways, so there is this energy of feeling as if everything is crystal clear, nothing is hidden, nothing to sort out, and maybe both of you are trying to figure out ways to get out of the situation and never look back, but still you guys are supremely connected to each other energetically. In fact, unhealthy attachment is there, but both of you are optimistic and positive at some point of time things are going to be okay. Now I'm going to like read the separate energies as well, but at least one of you is definitely in this energy of someday this connection is going to come back in a beautiful and positive way, and on that day everything is going to be beautiful, everything is going to be so positive. So this is the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see. The person that you are no contact on you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. The world card. Okay, this is like a completion of a cycle. They feel like this chapter is over, this is done, but still there is some kind of unfinished business that is still there between you guys. And even if they are trying their best to finish it from their side, this unfinished business, they are still not able to do that. So they are stuck in this energy of being in the unfinished business kind of loop, trying to let it go completely, trying to just get out of this completely, but not able to do that. They are simply feeling like they are not able to resolve it. Maybe there are unsaid things or unresolved issues between you guys that you guys never talked about, and or you guys ended this chapter abruptly and you guys were not able to talk about it properly like two mature adults. Okay, from your side the feelings are five of pentacles, like feeling left out in the cold by multiple situations of in your life, not just because of this person or this connection or this situation. You are feeling like betrayed by life itself. Why am I saying that? Not just because of this reading, because of your previous readings too. I can connect the dots. So, Sagittarius, you are feeling left out in the cold by the whole universe, and you are feeling no matter how hard you are trying to get up again and again and again, you are failing. Like in multiple areas of your life or by multiple people. Okay, especially the one who you trust a lot, or who you give your time and effort and energy a lot. Let's see what this person wants from you, their intentions. King of Cups. Now, this person wants to handle this situation with a lot of emotional maturity, with a lot of compassion, love, and forgiveness kind of energy. This person still have feelings. This person is still attached to you. I'm telling you, that this story is maybe physically over, energetically it's still going on. Yeah, and this person is definitely feeling like they should handle the situation with emotional maturity as much as they can from their side. They want to, their intention here is to remain open to the idea of healing the situation somehow. Now healing can means coming back together forever, and or letting go with proper understanding and with proper energy of this is what it is, this is how it is, and we can't do much about it, but we can let go with respect, with love, with compassion. So this is their intention, to heal the situation with as much emotional maturity as they can from their side, because they are also evolving as a person, and they are also learning a lot of things, a lot of new things, because of this situation between you and them. Every person in our life is a lesson and or a blessing. For this person, they are taking you as a blessing in their life, even if they might not be able to understand it on a human level. Their soul is definitely saying thank you to you. Now, from your side, Ace of Cups is your intention. You are ready to open up your heart again to maybe new opportunities, new people, new situations, new things. At the same time, you want to keep your heart open, keep your energies open for this situation to somehow evolve or dissolve properly. I don't see hatred, revenge, like blame game kind of energy from either side. It's like energy of compassion, energy of love, energy of mutual understanding from both the sides, and both of you are ready to make it work out and or dissolve it properly, but with the compassion, with love, with forgiveness, not with this energy of you are the one to blame here and you should die, you suck. I don't see that revengeful kind of energy from either side, and that's a very very good thing actually. It's rare, but the intentions are very pure and genuine from both the sides. Let's see any action from this person's side by the end of this month. We have the Tower. It's going to be very sudden or unexpected kind of move from this person's side towards you. They are going to get suddenly triggered by something or someone, and boom, they are going to, text you or call you out of the blue when you will be least expecting it to happen in your life. Maybe they tried before as well, and something is going to trigger them, or something is going to, you know make them feel like they should talk to you at least one more time or something like that. Or maybe they want a proper closure, or maybe they just want to, tell you something or reveal something to you. It's like you can expect sudden unexpected kind of communication from this person's side, again when you will be least expecting it to happen. It's going to be very sudden, unexpected, and out of the blue. From your side, we have the Empress. See, the Empress is the card of growth and expansion. In tarot, it's not the card of action as per se, as per the card description, but I think you will be ready to give it another shot. If this person is going to come towards you with correct energies, there are chances that you might give it a shot and you might plan a future in the situation, in this connection, in this direction. Hmm? No, it's completely your free will. You want to give it another shot or not, but there are chances that you might, if you are interested. Because I don't see, again, I do see mutual understanding here. Energetically, you guys are super finely tuned with each other's energies. Even if you are miles apart, doesn't matter. On a physical level, what you are doing is a totally different chapter. So they might show up unexpectedly. You might connect. You might reconnect. There are chances of connection. Yeah. Potential outcome of the situation by the end of this month, the Fool. See, a brand new beginning can happen. It's like a risky business from both the sides. Both of you know the risks attached to the situation, and both of you are kind of willing to take the risk somehow in this direction. Okay, and I do see a chance of a brand new beginning here. See, I don't see a full on reconciliation where both of you are talking about marriage suddenly. No, I do see this energy of, okay, we can be friends and we can see where things can go. But the end game here is from both the sides is to have growth and expansion. Sagittarius, you are the first sign, maybe out of the 12 signs, out of the, this is 9 sign I'm doing the reading for, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, that is getting some kind of good energies, good vibes, this reconciliation kind of energy. So yeah, enjoy. I think the guidance for you guys is the Four of Swords. Take your time. So if this person is going to show up in your life suddenly, unexpectedly, or whatever you are going to feel, whatever you are going to do in this situation, take your time before jumping into any kind of conclusion or making any kind of life changing decision in this direction. Yeah, don't be like, okay, no, I don't want to talk to you, or don't be like, okay, okay, let's do it. Take your time, understand that if you have healed properly, if you have still some kind of issues with this with this person, some kind of unsaid things that you need to talk about, so talk properly, communicate properly. Communication is the only thing that can help everyone to heal properly. The just communication and intention of a good heart. All the psychologists, everybody communicates, that's why we heal, right? The healers, the everybody that we take as a healer is somebody who communicates with you properly. That's how we heal, that's how we are able to express and properly let go, right? So in this case also, you need to communicate with your person openly and honestly, and talk about the mutual healing journey in the situation, and then move forward. Take your time, take it slow, not don't do not jump into any kind of um, quick fix kind of things. Let me see one more card from the Romance Angel Oracle cards for you guys as the final message. We have the reconciliation. See, someone from your past is returning to your life. This is, I think, the third time we are getting the same message. So, Sagittarius, it might not be exactly by the end of this month, but it's happening sooner than you think, right? So, there are very good chances of reconciliation, and if you are hoping for it, the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. But the energies are super aligned for you guys for reconciliation. Now, by any chance, if you feel like this is impossible, not happening in this lifetime, then trust your intuition and your gut. Then you are right. Okay, not this reading, then it's not applicable to you. Okay, please do not leave your truth for any tarot reader or anyone. If you know the truth, you know the truth, right? Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.